Talk about why you should absolutely be brushing your teeth if you want superior long-term health. Tooth loss and periodontal disease are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, all-cause mortality, and respiratory mortality. In addition, tooth infection and tooth loss is associated with an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. You could, in fact, think that this is just a correlation. Those with poor teeth are typically doing things like smoking, eating more processed foods, and overall take less care of their health. However, we do have studies indicating that things like mastication can actually improve brain function by stimulating specific neurons that communicate between the mouth and the brain that can help maintain cognitive function and increase memory and learning. And chewing gum appears to improve productivity, reduce cognitive problems, as well as improve learning and memory. And masticatory dysfunction is associated with reductions in brain volume and function, and impaired memory, especially in the elderly, indicating chewing is actually vital to maintaining cognitive function. Therefore, keeping as many teeth as possible is paramount. In addition, there is a wide range of microbes colonizing the oral cavity, and factors such as poor diet, poor oral hygiene, smoking, medications, and a myriad of other factors can disrupt the microbiome within the oral cavity. And this disruption is associated with a myriad of problematic side effects, including cardiovascular complications, respiratory complications, autoimmune and arthritic complications, inflammatory bowel disease, liver complications, PCOS, diabetes, obesity, cognitive dysfunction, and cancerous conditions and complications within the esophagus, colon, and pancreas, because these bacteria can affect the entire body. Moreover, some sort of infection within the oral cavity can increase inflammation, which appears to contribute and drive insulin resistance, thus very much heightening the risk of diabetes and diabetic complications. In the grand scheme of things, we should all be brushing our teeth and trying to maintain as clean of a mouth as possible. In addition, doing things such as chewing and trying to challenge our jaw and our masticatory muscles may not only help improve acute attention and memory, but in the long run may help to preserve our brain function.